So it is time to say goodbye to this beautiful, beautiful home, this beautiful view altogether, and I think I'm going to really, really miss this place. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today has been such a bittersome, sweet kind of day. Tonight we will be officially leaving Mumbai and moving to Chennai. My husband has been transferred to Chennai, so it's time I actually move in with him. I have literally been in Mumbai for so long, and it's literally hard on me to actually leave everything behind and actually shift to a different city altogether, but I'm hoping everything should be fine in a few months. Now we just checked into this beautiful property. It's ITC Hotels. That's where we are staying. Although it is a beautiful property, but it isn't pet friendly, so we had to like leave our kitty cats in this guest house that's literally 2 minutes away. So for now we are going to check on them, if they're doing fine, how they're doing, spend some time because we will be coming back here to sleep and then get ready and then probably just head to the airport. I don't think she's actually happy with this entire move. It's literally 1 a.m. and it is time to actually get going to the airport. My flight is not anytime sooner, but it is at 7 a.m. The reason we are going early is because we need approval since we will be traveling with our kitty cats. So yeah, it is going to be a super long flight, but I think it should be worth it because I will be traveling with my cat for the first time and I'm super excited to see her reaction like in the plane, looking out of the window. So yeah, super excited. Let's go. And that's my outfit. I pretty much really like it. It's super comfy. Love it. So at the airport we had to wait for around 20 minutes just to get the captain's approval and all of that, and everything went smoothly. So we finally got her tickets and now we have like so much time to kill. So we headed to Starbucks, had some coffee. This is my cat's reaction to a public coffee house. I have to say she was quite well behaved. And yeah, we just like passed time around at the airport. We kept switching places because it was getting too boring to sit at one place, and we literally had like 2-3 hours to kill. So we finally boarded the flight, but my cat kind of freaked out. I do not know why, but I think she felt kind of abandoned by us. So we got her out of her bag and I think she was so much better. She was so fascinated looking at the cabin crew members, like moving the carts and walking around, all of that. So that did keep her busy. Although she wanted to explore the entire plane, like she is such an explorer, but obviously we could not allow that. It's her first flight, so it's her first time looking out of the window, and I do not really know if she loved it. Anyway, we landed and we headed to the hotel where me and my sister, we just headed down for breakfast and we just passed out because we were up all night. We are in Chennai and let's see her reaction. Hey, let me open it. Come. Hey guys, so it's been literally 3-4 days I believe. We were so tired with this entire move because it was not a pleasant flight experience, I would say, with traveling with our cats. For now, I literally feel so much better, so I'm going to take you around this beautiful apartment. Such a pretty apartment. This is an open kitchen and I really love it. It's so cute and so airy. I love that it's connected to the living room. So let me show you. It's the open kitchen and I pretty much really like it. That's her favorite spot in the kitchen. She literally sits there every time. I love this entire area. It's literally so nice. We had to stack up our shoes here, and That's the fridge. We do not really have anything much since we keep going down for, to the restaurants to eat. All of my cats' stuff, like their food stuff and all of that. That's the open kitchen. Why are you looking like that? Why are you angry? And then that's the living room. I'm just going to quickly show you. That's my other cat. We did put some bed sheets over the sofa since my cat tend to scratch the sofa, so it might, become a disaster. So that's why it's covered with bed sheets. You wanna say hi? That's the view. TV cabinet. We did put a few stuff over the lamp because my cats love to go on higher places, so we had to literally cover it. And then we have the bedroom in here. It's it starts with this beautiful full-length mirror, and that's the bedroom. I pretty much really like it, especially the lamps. And that's what the other side looks like. Then we move on to the bathrooms. I love how they have kept everything so minimal but so functional. Like that's the bathtub. This is basically the shower area. And this one is, the WC. And that's the sink. I pretty much really love this entire design. I love the lighting situation as well. And yeah, pretty much all of that's just skincare. That's another bedroom where my mom and sister are staying. That's my sister. Hi. And that's my mom. Hi. And that's her again. Good, I love it. That's Dana. Okay, you guys, we are headed to the house right now. So this is the hall, which has to be like painted. The walls, the balcony frames, literally everything has to be painted white, including these wardrobes. So it's going to take a while since everything gets fixed. So this washroom is going to get a major makeover. We are planning to renovate this like totally. So yeah, let's hope for the best, everything works out the way we want. And this room is going to be our bedroom, you guys. I know it looks super messy, but let's just wait it out. We are back to the hotel and we had dinner at this beautiful restaurant. It's called Peshawari and I love the food here. It can get like super heavy, but once in a while I think it's good to feast at. Morning, it's a new day. We are headed to the buffet breakfast. The one thing that I really love about staying in here is the buffet breakfast. It's literally incredible. If you guys are in Chennai, you guys need to try this place out. We are headed to the house now to see how much work has been done and if anything needs to be changed. So let's get going. So the hall has been painted, my room has been painted as well. Although there are like a few places that, needs to get done with. My bathroom is also getting done, which is just the way I wanted. So we are back to the hotel and literally look at her. Like she is so scared of people vacuuming in the room. It's so funny. Tonight we wanted to try this Italian place called Ultimo and it did not disappoint. I absolutely loved everything we ate in here. Thank you. Just a little bit of elderflower, some rosy pink and a dash of lime. We did have some carbonara and some other dish which I kind of forgot what we actually had. And this dessert, oh my god, it was so good. So my mom and my sister left yesterday and it has been such an emotional day for me. Like yesterday was super emotional. I just could not stop being sad because I've been with my mom and sister for the longest time, and just knowing that we are going to be in a totally different city henceforth or moving forward was kind of not settling in. But I think I am a little better today. Anyway, an update on the house. Most of the things has been done, so we will be moving into the new place. So I thought I could give you guys a house tour before, the movers and packers could arrive, but unfortunately they did arrive, so I'm going to do this really quick. So this is the entrance, and in here is my hall. It's super huge. There is a balcony, but I personally do not like the view. Anyway, moving on, that's my kitchen, and again a huge kitchen. Like every room in here is super large, which you wouldn't find in Mumbai for sure. Just opposite the kitchen is a maid's room, but I do not really, keep live-in maids. So this is just going to be like a small storage room, or we shall figure out like what has to be done with this room. That's a small bathroom, and honestly I do not think anyone's going to use this bathroom. Moving on, this is my bedroom. There is such a difference when we seen it the last time and right now. I absolutely love this bedroom, you guys. Cannot wait to actually, put stuff and organize it. Next to the bedroom is my studio room, and this space is so large. Like I haven't had such a big room in my entire life, which I'm truly so grateful for. And that's my wardrobe, which again looks so good, being painted white. And that's my balcony. I really do not know what I'm going to do in here, but we shall figure things out. And the last room is the guest room, a very simple room. This is connected to the hall's balcony, so yeah, that's it. And pretty much that's my empty house tour, you guys. I hope you guys like it. Hi guys, welcome back. So it's been a few days. I kind of lost count on how many days it's been because I was literally so sad. I of course miss Mumbai. I miss the vibe. I literally miss my previous place so much. The view is something I miss the most. Yeah, that's my cat playing with some lost cap. However, I woke up today feeling so much better. I just felt like I'm getting used to the space, and of course it will take me quite a few months to actually get used to this entire city altogether, but yeah, let's get it on. So yeah, I'm going to just show you the situation right now. There are cupboards everywhere and we are going to get productive today. I'm going to kind of fix things. Also, the rooms in here are like super large. Like Mumbai does not have such huge homes. I feel in here it's like super large. Like my hall right now is super huge, so me and my husband decided to switch up our TV cabinet so that it looks more elegant and more pretty. We did order from IKEA, and Chennai does not really have IKEA, but we kind of paid through another website that would get it delivered in here. Yeah, for now I'm going to try and set up the TV cabinet and just see if I can organize it. I am super excited to see how the entire TV setup looks like. So yeah, let's get productive. So that's the situation of my house, you guys. It is a complete mess, but we are going. The mirror that was behind my couch in the previous place, but here it is here because I do have some different plans for this wall, and also because the couch isn't next to the wall, otherwise the TV would have been super far away. So yeah, we're planning to put the dining table in here, and I really want to do something for this wall area. A quick little update. I am unable to actually figure things out with the entire TV cabinet. Like there are so many parts of this TV cabinet, and each part has a separate manual, and it literally gets so confusing. My driver and the carpenter are on their way to actually help me figure things out, and I think they will do the rest of it. So that's my studio room. It is pretty big. I just placed my chest of drawers in here, and the curtains are just there. I'm going to quickly change everything. Let me show you the situation in the room because it is quite messy. So that's my room, you guys. It is filled with cardboard boxes, like you guys can see. It is like super extremely messy, but I need to fix things and basically organize everything. So I will do that, but I think I'm going to start off with my clothing because I have like so many boxes to unpack. There are some more boxes outside in the hall, so I need to get that done. So I got done organizing my clothing. In here it's all pink and here it's a mix of different colors. I do have some more clothing left here which I need to figure out where it's going to be placed. For now I'm going to quickly go and show you my bathroom because we need to organize that area as well. Hey you guys, so this is my bathroom. Oops. It is like so pretty. We changed the entire the finish. I absolutely love it. I'm going to have like so much fun just decorating this place. Since this place does not really have a lot of storage, so that's one of the reasons we decided to get this done. We got this done from a carpenter and I really love it. Behind me I have this window sort of thing and I do not really like it, but we shall deal with that. That is my bathroom, you guys. I do not really think I have the strength to organize everything right now. Like you guys can tell, I'm super tired, so I'm just going to eat something, take a nap, and probably organize everything in the next video. So stay tuned for that. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have watched until this point, you must really like me and I truly appreciate you for being here. Stay tuned for the next video where I organize everything and all of that. So yeah, I love you and I'll see you next week. Bye.